Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to be talking about HTML. What is HTML? At its basis, HTML is just adding extra characters to give text some structure and some direction. And it's not very complicated. Now you can take it and build complicated things, but at its root, it's really just wrapping some additional pieces of text in some greater than and less than signs that then tells a browser to make a piece of text bold or to style this. And it also helps you structure the data so you can break it up into sections and navigate from page to page. But basically that's all it does, is it just presents text and images and gives you the ability to link between them. So as we begin this journey, let's take a look at a complete piece of HTML and then just pull it apart piece by piece so you can understand what is the markup, which is just as you would mark up a homework assignment, you're marking up text on a page to give it direction and clarity. So with that, let's take a peek at our first little piece of HTML, which is the P tag, which is the beginning of everything. And it's just a paragraph. It's short for paragraph. And how this is structured is you create what's called an opening tag. And an opening tag is a greater than and less than sign with a P in the middle of it. Then you have your text. And then you create a closing tag, which is greater than and less than, with a backslash to notate that it's actually the end of it. And so the whole thing together with a beginning P tag and an end P tag is called an element. So there's just some fundamental grammar here that we use to talk about HTML. And from this P tag, you can really understand everything that's going on. And there are different tags depending on what you're using it for, but there really isn't even that many tags to remember. So with that, let's just get into this and take a step-by-step approach, looking at a complete project instead of just starting off with a text pad, which I think will help you understand what's happening, because we're going to look at real live documents in which you can update and see how your updates actually are translated by the browser, which a browser, all it is an application that reads HTML. So let's get started. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more information, please click on the playlist listed below. Hit that subscribe button so people just like you can find this video, and please comment below to join the community. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.